2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, cold weather package, fog lights, CD player, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.